Why centering matters in web design?
Centering content is a common challenge in web design. Whether it's text, images, or entire sections, well-centered elements make layouts look tidy and professional. Today's CSS provides several techniques to center elements both vertically and horizontally, making it easier than ever to create visually appealing and user-friendly sites.
Horizontal centering, the basics.
To center text horizontally inside a block element, simply use the property Text Align Center. For block-level elements like divs, you can use margin 0 auto along with a set width. These classic methods remain effective for most basic centering needs and are widely supported across browsers.
Vertical centering with Flexbox.
The Flexbox is a powerful tool for vertical and horizontal centering. Set the parent with Display Flex, then use Justify Content Center to center horizontally and Align Items Center to center vertically. This technique works for both text and entire elements and adapts well to responsive layouts.
Centering with CSS Grid.
CSS Grid allows precise placement of content. To center items, set the parent container to Display Grid and use Place Items Center. This places both rows and columns in the middle, making it easy to center anything inside the container without extra markup.
Absolute positioning and transform tricks.
For advanced layouts, you can use Position Absolute along with top 50% and left 50%. Then, add Transform Translate -50%, -50% to truly center the element both vertically and horizontally, regardless of its size. This method can be handy when Flexbox or Grid are not suitable.
Choosing the right centering technique.
Each centering method has its strengths. Use Text Align for simple inline content, Margin Auto for fixed width blocks, Flexbox and Grid for flexible layouts, and Absolute Positioning for precise control. Mastering these tools will help you achieve perfectly centered layouts in any project.